What's going on, guys? It's Jordan back today with another video. And in today's video, we're going to take just a quick look at yearn.finance because I'm getting a lot of requests to talk about this individual coin. If that sounds good to you guys, press that like button down below. If we can get 100 likes on this video, that would be so awesome. Now let's jump right on in to the video. As we jump right on in to the longer time frame chart for yearn.finance, if we can even really say a long-term chart, because this coin is so new and it's just honestly gone up in a straight line since its inception back in July. Anyways, as we jump in here, we just broke out of our bull flag that we were in for the last few days, right? So a very short pattern, but we honestly, all the patterns for this coin are short just because it really hasn't been around for that long, right? So the last two times we did get a break out of this, out of this bull flag. We have got a really good size bounce, right? So this one went from $2,000 all the way up to about $5,000. Same thing for this one. This went from about $4,000 all the way up to about $15,000. So it's at least 2x after breaking this bull flag. So that's what I expect to see at this one, right? So this past one stopped at its last all-time high here and then consolidated for a while. And then this one pumped up past an all-time high and then consolidated, right? So be wary that we could get a rejection at our all-time high here, just like we did at this bull flag, or we could pump straight up past it. Who knows? This coin is in price discovery, and no one really knows what yearn.finance is going to do, right? It's a wild beast right now, just like all coins that get in price discovery. Look at Chainlink, right? No one knew that Chainlink was going to blast off all the way up to $20 so quickly, but it did, right? So who knows how high yearn.finance can go, right? It all depends on these market movers, what they want to do, right? So we're going to jump into our next chart here, and that's just kind of the 20-day moving average for yearn.finance. So I'm looking at the 20-day here just because we don't have that much price history, and we've gotten a good bounce off of it before. So I want to see what happened before and translate it and what I think is going to happen next, right? So last time we got a wick down to this 20-day moving average, we pumped straight up to 16,000, right? So this is what I see happening next. We got a good support on it here, just like we did back here, and we're pumping up now. So this 20-day moving average could be a huge indicator of the next pumps for yearn.finance. And I see this, we could get a rejection on the top of here, right? So far, haven't broke this last all-time high. That was at about 38 to 39,000, right? Depending on which exchange you're looking at. But so far, so good. We are pumping up. Just like I said in that last chart, be wary of we could get a rejection at the last all-time high, consolidate for a while. Yearn.finance case, that's not a long time. It's a few days of consolidation before pumping up higher. Or we could pump straight up through that all-time high. So just be wary that we could get a rejection in both. Either way, I see this thing going up because I think that we're in the crypto bull market. Just the bigger cap altcoins and Bitcoin are in a correction right now anyway. So we're going to jump quickly into the next chart for yearn.finance today, guys. And that is just this fractal of the last consolidation range for yearn.finance. It's playing out exactly the same, right? So we got this pump up high. We got the secondary low. Same thing here. We got the secondary low. We dipped down to new lows. Same thing here. We dipped down to new lows. This one didn't go as far. We did get a wick here that's not shown because these are just candle bodies, but same thing. We consolidated to the right, made a new little local high here. Same thing here. Consolidate to the right, get a new little local high. Consolidate a little more. Same thing. Consolidate a little more. Started our first pump. This one pumped up back up to its previous high. Same thing here. Previous high. And then we did get a dip down. So this thing could get a dip down here, retesting this local high here possibly, or it could blast straight up, right? This is just a possibility. So be wary that we could, get top out at about where we are now, come back down a little bit, and then pop off. This kind of be like a little fake out dip to get all the weak hands out of the market, right? So just be wary of that happening. Definitely a possibility. So that's pretty much all I wanted to talk about for yearn.finance today. Like I said, guys, there's really not knowing how high this coin's actually going to go just because it's in price discovery, just like Chainlink was a few weeks ago, right? Just be careful. Only invest where you can afford to lose. That's my best advice. I don't like to see people lose money, but honestly, it's better to lose money that you can afford to lose rather than lose money that you had to pay bills with in a month or two, right? So just be careful on what kind of money you're investing. Only invest what you can afford to lose, guys. So today's just a quick video. Just wanted to give you a quick update on this because I did get a lot of comments wanted to talk about this coin in particular. Why is it blasting off so high? It's just simply because of some price discovery, right? So no one knows how high it's going to go. Don't listen to anyone that had these predictions, right? This thing could dump tomorrow, or it can go to $100,000 in a few weeks, right? So who knows? I'm going to go enjoy the rest of my day. I'm not going to stare at the charts all day, just like I don't want you guys to stare at the charts all day. Quick video today because I have stuff I got to get done. I hope you guys have stuff you got to get done as well, right? Start that side hustle, get to the gym, meet new people. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace. Guys, before I go, actually check out these two videos right to the left of me here. One of them is a video that I recommend, and one of them is a video that YouTube recommends itself. Also, the subscribe button conveniently happens to be located right in the left as well, so click it if you haven't already. And I will stop wasting your guys' time now, I promise. See ya.